So in the last video I have shown you planet Jupiter through my telescope. I have clicked the video using the smartphone and a telescope. So today I am going to show you how to stack the image of planet Jupiter using PIPP software, that is Planetary Imaging Pre-Processing Software and AutoStacker. I am going to open the file. Select the path in which you have saved the file, the video. As I upload the file, you see two windows. One window is to view the object, that is the planet, and another window is for processing. So in the optimize option for, you have to use the planetary option. You have to click tick mark on planetary option, then click on test option in the upper right corner. Then it will detect the planet. Also you have to skip some of the options here. Then you have to go in the processing option, then click on test detect threshold, so that will detect the planet properly. So keep it default. Then you can also minimize and maximize the zoom window or the preview window here, like this. Further, we will move to quality options. Click on enable quality estimation. Then on the right side, click on enable quality weighting. Then go into the output option. Click on AVI file format. Then select the working directory in which you can save the file. So in this way, you have to set the working directory for the output folder. Click OK. Then go into the do processing option. Then click on start processing. This will take a few minutes. Okay, so we have done with the processing, and here is the output file. That is the AVI format video. As you can see, planet Jupiter is not stable, but it is centered. So we are going to further stabilize this video in the AutoStacker application. So for that, I'm going to open the application here. I'm going to open the file. So I've opened the file here. So there are two windows here. One is for processing and other is for viewing the image or the video. In the image stabilization, click on planet COG, then click on dynamic background. Then in quality estimator, click automatic, then click on analyze. After analyzing, you can see the quality graph that is in good condition. In the preview window, you can play the video frames. You will notice that planet Jupiter is in stable position without wobbling. Even if you move the slider in the quality graph, they will show planet Jupiter in the preview window. It is not wobbling or moving. So let's start stacking the planet Jupiter. I'm going to add the alignment point like this. You can also enter it manually also by clicking on the option 32, 48, 200 and 184. I have selected 32 option, so that is enough. You can see the number at the lower left corner of the application, that is hashtag F406, that is frames are 406. You can enter in the stack option and write 406 in the number of frames to stack option. Then come down little, you can see the normalized stack option, that is 55. Keep it 55 only, and then click on stack. Stacking has been started. It will take few minutes or 5 minutes for stacking. Okay, stacking has been done. Now let's check the image. So here is the image. So this is the stack image, as you can see, and it appears sharp. So let us further edit in Photoshop. Now I am going to close all this application and open Photoshop. Now I have done the editing of this planet Jupiter before also, but I am going to show how do I edit planet Jupiter. I'm going to open the file. So here it is. Now I am going to go in the camera raw filter. It takes time for loading. Okay, the window has been open. I'm going to edit the photo. I'm going to keep white balance auto. Now let us check planet Jupiter and if we have got the moons of planet Jupiter. So for that I'm going to increase the exposure at maximum, that is +5, and you can see the two moons of planet Jupiter, that is Io and Ganymede. So let us properly edit the photo. So again I'm going to reduce the exposure to +0.05. I'm going to reduce the white range to -10. I'm going to adjust the shadow at -7. For a while I'm going to increase the contrast to +100. Adjust the exposure in such a way so that I can keep the planet details. Again I'm going to reduce the highlights to -20. I will keep -7. I'm going to increase the texture to +100, clarity to about +4 or about +11, and increase the DS up to 100. Then I will again adjust the exposure to see whether the moons are visible or not. So that is a main thing. So I'm going to edit in such a way that the moons are also visible in the frame. So in this way I'm going to adjust the contrast and I'm checking that which one is the best one. I have kept the contrast at +78. Now I'm going to adjust the exposure in such a way that it will remain, the image will be balanced so that I can see planet Jupiter and its two moons. So I have kept at exposure at -0.05. Again I'm going to adjust the blacks and the whites again in such a way that, so I have kept whites at -5 and black at +8. Again down I'm going to increase the saturation in such a way that I can see the red clouds of planet Jupiter. I'm going to adjust the sharpening. I'm going to keep it at 76. I'm going to reduce the color noise to about 24, and there it is, planet Jupiter and its two moons. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.